You just keep beeping, man, shut up. Every time I say beep, it's ridiculous. Hello, welcome back to SG Driven. Just a quick little update on the Bmw E46. It is nearly ready for MOT, just needs a couple bits which I'm going to show you now quickly. So as you can see, the 46 is actually looking pretty normal at the minute. We need to fix this, which I should imagine it's getting quite rusty now, and the fitment is pretty tight. So yeah, we've got to do something about that. As you can see, I fit my screen wash tank just right there. I do need to tidy up the cable, so obviously it doesn't catch. But this is literally just things for MOT at the minute. Got another dent scratch, but like I said, we'll get it sorted. I've got a couple of mates. Well, I've got a guy who is shit hot at doing spraying and stuff, so he's going to sort it out. But yeah, let's show the inside of the 46. As you can see, we're putting the interior back in. This is the only flaw with it. It's got a massive hole, and we're going to sort that out. They are a bit mouldy. I just need to get interior for an MOT because I want to take my daughter out and stuff like that in the car. So yeah, got electric seats, which they do work. We just have to wire them in properly. But as you can see, the back is looking pretty empty. We've got one seat belt in so far there. Need to do the centre and that side. And obviously put the parcel shelf on and stuff like that. But as you can see there, that door card hasn't changed yet. I've got a half leather one to go on, just like this one. So it's all like leather here. It's really nice. When my battery died last time, my window wasn't fully shut, so we do have quite a bit of manky wall. But yeah, obviously these are the warning lights on in a minute, which I'll show you. A few lights that we need a bit of resistor, which I got it. Just need a bit of resistor in for the rear lights because the rear lights aren't plugged in at the minute, but they're LEDs, so they indicate really fastly, but the resistor slows it down. So that's needs doing, but like I said, I got them, just need to actually wire them in. We do have an ABS light on, and that light next to on the right, which I don't know what it is. So I can't actually locate my digital multimeter to check what voltage the battery's running at. So I'm just going to start the car and just see if it actually starts, because the battery's been here for 2 days now. As you can see, it starts straight away. Those two warning lights stay on. I still have a headlight light on though. In theory, it shouldn't be there. Ah, that's fine. So, I'll show you. When we painted the engine bay, we haven't put these back in yet. As you can see, when I move it, it's the earth for the lights. So now you can see the mod, and this one's not on properly. We'll go a little bit, try to find the earth. There's the earth. So you can see they're both on. And now it's saying the front right one was on, which I think it was the front left a minute ago. Which is probably just an earthing issue, obviously. It's not on properly at all. So yeah, we need to sort that out. for MOT obviously, but it's pretty much there now. Obviously the door goes off, the boot's open. Just get a quick sound of the exhaust. It rattles, so I just got to fix that as well. Nothing. So we need to check to see if the alternator is working, which I've got a device in here somewhere among the mess, because I don't have a shed or a garage or anything. I store everything that goes into the car in here. So yeah, we've got to quickly find that. I managed to find my voltage meter. So if we set it to 20, don't know if you can see that, but it's at 12.52 volts. If I move it there, you might actually see that. 12.52 volts. Now if we go to start the car, charging OK, maximum charge, and then it will show me if it's overload, over voltage control defect. Power on. As you can see, charging function OK. So yeah, let's turn that off for a minute. Shut that. I want to paint these again. Actually put this all back together down here. That's my horn switch. But yeah, you know, it's not bad at all. So it's just a couple bits I need to get through MOT. So I need to sort out ABS lights. Make sure, you know, obviously the headlights, the earthing, it just needs bolting up pretty much. And that's it. So I'm going to put it through its MOT, I think, soon, just with the front seats. I need to finish off the rear seat belts and stuff like that, but I'll do that after the MOT. And then yeah, it should be pretty much back on the road. So that's just a quick update video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Stay tuned because I have a big video coming up for pairing. Big announcement for the channel. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you lot on the next one.